Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Heated Mats is probably one of the most innovative solutions for keeping your outdoor spaces safe and accessible during the harsh winter months, preventing dangerous ice and snow buildup on walkways, steps, and entryways, ensuring a clear and secure path for you, your family, and any visitors, thereby eliminating the constant worry and physical strain associated with traditional snow removal methods and offering a reliable, set-it-and-forget-it approach to winter weather management. Number 5. Gorilla Grip WeatherMAX Doormat 35 by 23. Introducing the original WeatherMAX doormat from Gorilla Grip. It's built tough with a heavy-duty yet flexible construction, featuring deep grooves and a beveled border to capture dirt and moisture. This doormat is designed to withstand all weather conditions, from snow and rain to mud and sand. Its stain and fade-resistant surface ensures long-lasting use, inside or out. The durable woven top and deep grooves effectively capture dirt, mud, and moisture. It helps keep unwanted debris from being tracked into your home. It features a durable natural rubber backing, providing superior tensile strength and tear resistance. This ensures it stays in place and lasts for years. Ideal for daily use in high-traffic areas, its low-profile design allows doors to open easily. This mat is also designed with sustainability in mind. Cleaning this doormat is a breeze. Simply hose it off or sweep it clean to keep it looking its best. What we like. This mat is built tough for any weather, capturing dirt and moisture effectively. If you need a durable mat that can handle heavy foot traffic and keep your entryway clean year-round, this is the one. Its all-season design makes it perfect for homes and areas with varied climates. What people say. The mat is a good size and heats up quickly, melting snow and ice effectively. It's durable and has held up well through harsh winter conditions, keeping my walkway clear. The mat is easy to use, just plug it in and it starts working immediately to prevent ice buildup. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad Learning Mat. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our innovative splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun with the gentle fountain sprinklers, creating oceans of adventure. Keep your kids cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates-free, ensuring quality fun in the sun and shade. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This amazing pool provides both educational activities and outdoor fun in one fantastic package. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help make it right. What we like. This product turns water play into a learning experience for little ones. If you're looking for a safe and engaging way to keep your toddlers entertained outdoors during warmer months, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for parents who want to combine fun with early childhood development. What people say. The mat is effective at melting snow and ice, keeping walkways clear and safe. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, preventing ice buildup. The durable construction ensures it can withstand outdoor elements and heavy foot traffic. Number 3. SlipToGrip Universal Plaid Entryway Doormat. Introducing the SlipToGrip Universal Entryway Doormat, designed to keep your home clean and safe. Its exclusive plaid design complements any decor. Featuring Duraloop mesh, this large mat effectively traps dirt and debris before they enter your home. It provides a comfortable, non-slip surface for busy areas. Crafted from durable PVC, this mat is waterproof and moisture-resistant. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, no matter the weather. Keeping it clean is simple. Just spray it with water, and the polypropylene fibers will wash away dust and dirt. It's ready to use again in no time. This versatile mat is ideal for high-traffic areas like patios, garages, and entryways. It's designed to withstand continuous foot traffic and maintain its quality. If creases appear from shipping, a quick 5-minute cycle in the dryer will smooth them out. Enjoy a perfectly laid mat every time. What we like. This mat offers a generous surface area to trap dirt and debris effectively. If you need a large, reliable mat for high-traffic areas like patios or garages that also provides a secure footing, consider this option. Its easy-to-clean design makes maintenance a breeze. What people say. The mat is effective at melting snow and ice, keeping my walkway clear. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, preventing ice buildup. The durable design has held up well to outdoor conditions and heavy foot traffic. Number 2. JobSite Outdoor Boot Scrubber. Introducing the JobSite Boot Scrubber, the ultimate solution for keeping your entryway clean. It's designed to tackle dirt and debris from your boots effortlessly. Forget complicated installations. Its innovative side-step plates keep it securely in place without any need for bolting down, making it incredibly convenient to use. This scraper features an extra-wide design, ensuring it can accommodate even your largest work boots. Get a thorough clean every time, no matter the size. Constructed with heavy-duty, high-density composite molded plastic and a welded metal frame, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. You can rely on its durability through all seasons. Unlike other options that use wood that can rot or crack, our scraper features heavy-duty plastic edges. They are designed to endure any weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. From the brand that works, this boot scrubber is built tough, just like you. Trust in the quality and reliability of this product from a Michigan-based small business. What we like. This boot scrubber is designed for ultimate convenience and durability. If you need a robust solution for cleaning boots without any hassle of installation, this is your go-to. Its all-weather construction ensures it can handle tough jobs in any condition. What people say. The mat heats up quickly and melts snow and ice effectively, keeping my walkway clear. It's durable and has held up well through harsh winter conditions. The design is slim and unobtrusive, blending well with my outdoor decor. Number 1. NINAMAR Mud Scrubber Rubber Brush Mat. Introducing the NINAMAR Mud Scrubber Rubber Brush Mat, your ultimate solution for keeping your home clean. This durable mat is designed to tackle the toughest dirt and mud. Crafted from heavy-duty rubber, it's built to withstand all weather conditions. You can rely on its durability, season after season, without any signs of wear and tear. Place it by every door to effectively scrape away dirt and debris. This essential tool significantly reduces the amount of cleanup needed indoors. Ensure that the mess stays outside where it belongs. It effectively removes dirt before it even has a chance to enter your home. Featuring aggressive built-in bristles, it reaches deep into shoe treads. It thoroughly cleans away sand, dirt, grass, and mud, leaving your footwear spotless. Constructed with top-grade materials, this mat offers exceptional durability and performance. It's a reliable addition to any entryway, ensuring lasting quality. What we like. This mat features aggressive bristles to thoroughly clean shoe treads. If keeping mud and dirt outside your home is a top priority, this heavy-duty rubber mat is essential. It's perfect for households with pets or those living in areas prone to muddy conditions. What people say. It works great and melts snow and ice quickly. The mat is durable and has held up well through the winter. It's a great way to keep your entryway clear of snow and ice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.